Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create this amazing Facebook login UI. This UI is a very simple and very clean design, and it's a material design, so it will be easy to create. So there is two things that you will need. One is the color palette that the Facebook have. This color palette is what we will use in our design, so it's not very accurate, but I think it's enough. It's close to the real Facebook color. And second is this Facebook icon. We need this icon in a SVG format. We can download it from flat icon. This is the most closer look to the real Facebook logo. First, open up Android Studio, create new project, empty activity, let's name it FB login or whatever you want. I will use Kotlin, and minimum SDK is 21. It's very important because SDK 21 is the most easy SDK to use. If we use minimum below the SDK 21, it will be very difficult. It's more difficult because they don't support material design by default. Okay, now click finish.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, no rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
So that is all. Thank you for watching.